I hate my voice recorded. Do you ever have that feeling that you listen to your voice recorded, you're not a fan of it?
I'm not either.
I don't know why. And people.
I listen to myself on. You can go on live ATC, and I go and listen to myself for the day's lesson. You know, I sound like shit. It like doesn't sound like me at all.
That's exactly. Now, I've heard like they've done psychological studies why people. It's like a real thing. People don't like the sound of their own voice or something.
Alright, hopefully.
Oh, God. I always forget when I get in here. You gotta do this before I get in the plane.
Yeah, it's rather annoying.
I had a dream last night that we got new planes here, but I wasn't allowed to fly them. And then the dream morphed into I was back at my old. You know how I jumped around. I don't remember anything else, but we were like inside the back offices, and then there were planes like right there. You know how things are just weird in dreams. And the plane's like right there, like in the office. Like I don't understand, but I wasn't allowed to fly them. They were brand new planes for the flight school. I wasn't allowed to fly them. And then my dream faded away.
How long have you been here?
About 6 weeks now. I should probably know. I guess it's coming up my 7th week, May 13th.
Oh, so you must have just started when I first talked to you then, huh? Or,
yeah,
or you were only
the
here a
first
few
or
weeks?
second week, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you got the new guy.
Yeah, that's true.
Not the new guy to flight instruction, though. I always gotta remind people that. New to here, not new to
Oh, yeah, exactly.
We've got a new guy starting who's new to here. He's doing part-time, but new to here and new to flight instructing. And
oh, really?
But you know, it's weird because the guys, when you first start flight instructing, you're not any worse than someone more experienced. You're just a little less efficient, I would say sometimes, and also
Sure.
a little bit too textbook formal type when you're just, you know, as
Yeah.
far as formal. But
Yeah.
you quickly get over that. Just starts to flow a little bit actually. So, would you like to do everything, or would you like me to do some of it?
We can kind of split it up a little bit if you want.
All right. So, Captain on the left seat there. What would you like me to do?
Well, I'm gonna go. Let's wait till we get started. And I think we're gonna get it started. Maybe as I taxi to run up, you can get the ATIS.
Okay.
And if you want
yep.
the notepad, I can give it to you to write
Nope.
the stuff on.
I don't need a notepad per se.
You remember it.
Another option is I can also read checklists for you, like the real airlines
That
do.
would be a good idea.
I could read the checklist and you could do it.
Because it takes me time to always, as soon as I look up and look down, I lose whatever I've just where my finger is at.
That looks pretty organized right there, though.
I tried to fold it up and highlight so I can not get lost so easy.
So let's do it. If you don't mind, I'll take it now. Do you have, wait, let me take. I'll use the one here, so you keep that in front of you.
Okay.
I use the one here, and we'll do a little career resource management. Let's do this. Here's your key. So what'll happen is you'll get a cadence for it. I've taken crew resource management classes, so I'll teach you how they actually do it.
Okay.
So when the FO is doing checklist, the FO will call out and they'll say standing by for the start checklist, and the captain says go for start checklist. Okay. And then I read the prompt and you read the response. Now because we're not perfectly memorized, I will read the prompt and the response, and you can respond with the response.
Okay.
Then I will say checklist complete, and you can either call for the next checklist or I will say standing by for the next checklist.
Okay.
Sound good?
Okay.
So cabin checklist complete, exterior checklist complete, standing by for start checklist.
Okay, start checklist.
Cockpit organized.
Organized.
Key inserted.
Key inserted.
Tax brief complete.
Yep, don't grab anything and touch anything you're not supposed to.
Circuit breakers check.
Circuit breakers are all in.
Brakes firm.
Brakes are firm.
Seat track locked.
Locked.
Seat belts fastened.
Yep.
Avionics off.
Yep.
We got the avionics in this one.
Yep.
Carb off.
Carb heat
Mixture
off.
full rich.
Mixture full rich.
Throttle 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch.
Master on.
Master on.
Beacon on.
Beacon
Prime
on.
3 strokes.
That's so much faster.
Well, it's also kind of fun. It's, you know, it's good.
It's kind of fun, actually.
It's yeah. It's like I said, you know how to do this stuff.
It's almost a 737 if you just pretend hard enough.
Exactly.
Right?
We got the GoPro. I mean, like we're doing official stuff.
Prime 3 strokes.
Primer locked.
Primer locked.
Area clear.
Clear. Hand is clear.
Brakes held.
Brake set.
Hand on throttle. Ignition start.